Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a daily wellness routine with ritual step by step clearly. To create a daily wellness routine with ritual, start by identifying your wellness goals. Consider what areas of your health you want to focus on, such as nutrition, mental clarity, or overall fitness. Next, explore the ritual products that align with your goals. Ritual offers a variety of vitamins and minerals designed to address different health needs. Choose a product that resonates with your specific wellness objectives. Once you've selected a ritual product, establish a consistent time to take it each day. Consistency is key to forming a habit that integrates seamlessly into your routine. Create a daily schedule that includes your ritual supplement alongside other wellness practices. Incorporate moments for mindfulness, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Choose a time and method that works best for you, whether it's morning or evening. Adding physical activity is another important aspect of your wellness routine. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of movement each day, whether that's a workout, a walk, or yoga. Finally, ensure you are staying hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. Track your progress by keeping a wellness journal or using a tracking app. To stay motivated, reflect on how your routine is affecting your overall well-being. Remember to adjust your routine as needed to keep it fresh and aligned with your evolving goals. Incorporating ritual products into your daily routine can enhance your overall health journey. By following these steps, you're well on your way to establishing a fulfilling daily wellness routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.